Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is about once again mole concept with solved examples. So let's have a look. First of all, we will learn some formulas. So first one is 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is number of particles in 1 mole of any substance. Either it will be atom, either it will be molecule, or it's an ion. And this is denoted, this is called Avogadro number. This is denoted by Na or sometimes N0. Now, so we can say in 1 mole there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. Second, which is very important point, is atomic mass or molecular mass, or we can say ionic mass, all are equal to molar mass. The only difference is atomic mass or molecular mass is shown in unit or AMU, and molar mass is always denoted in terms of gram. So whenever mass is said in terms of grams, it is called as molar mass. So if we have carbon, its atomic mass is 12, so its molar mass is equal to 12 gram. This is very important point, and we need to use this many times, or I think every time when we are going through the questions of mole concept. Next point or next formula is number of moles. Number of moles is equal to the mass given upon molar mass. So we can say, if we need to get the number of moles, how many moles are used, like that question. So they will give some mass that this gram is used to get this, and what is the number of moles. So from there we will use this formula. Later in the numerical we will check how. Number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Next formula is number of moles if we are dealing with the ideal gases. Then the formula is volume given on STP, standard temperature and pressure, upon 22.4 liter. So these four formulas we need to put in the mind while doing mole concept questions. So let's start the example and we'll use these formulas one by one. First question is, what is the mass of 10 moles of sodium sulfide? So first of all, in this question we need to get the molar mass of the sodium sulfide, and we'll get molar mass from the molecular mass simply. So first thing is molecular mass for sodium, Na2SO3. For sodium, atomic mass is 23. So 2 into 23 plus sulfur atomic mass is 32 plus oxygen atomic mass is 16. So 16 into 3. So we can write 3 into 16, and the value that will come is 126. This is the molecular mass, and this is equal to the, we can say, that's why the molar mass is equal to 126 gram. Simply. Now number of moles, the formula is number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Now from this formula we will get the value of mass, because we know the number of moles and the molar mass. So that's why mass should be number of moles into molar mass. Now put the values. Number of moles are 10, molar mass is 126, and the answer that will come is 1260 gram. This is the mass, and this is our answer of this numerical. Very simple calculation. Now come up to next question. Convert into moles, 22 grams. First thing, we'll get the molecular mass. So molecular mass of CO2 is equal to carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 2. 16 into 2. So it will become 44, and so that's why this is called MOLAR. Molar mass should be 44 grams. This is in unit and molar mass in grams. Same thing. Now next step is the formula. So formula is mole, number of mole is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Here mass is given 22 gram and molar mass is 44 gram. Now this will cancel. It will become 2 by 4, 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, and again it will cancel. It will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can write 0.5, and this is gram and gram also cancel. This is 0.5 moles. This is our answer. So 22 gram of carbon dioxide is equal to 0.5 moles. Now come up to some different type of question. What is the mass of 0.05 moles of water molecule? So they are telling water molecule, that means H2O. So first of all, mass of H2O, yeah, molecular mass of H2O, both are same thing. So don't get confused. Mass of H2O. So hydrogen is mass is 1. So 1 into 2 plus oxygen atomic mass 16. So total it is 18 unit. This is mass. Then we can say molar mass is 18 gram. Simple. Next step is what is the mass? Again they are asking for the mass. So as we done the question number 1, mass is equal to number of mole into molar mass. Same as we did in question number 1, same way applied here. So number of moles are 0.5 into molar mass is 18. So we will get the answer 9.0, and this is gram. So our answer is mass is 9 gram. So we can say 9 gram of water molecule is equal to 0.5 moles. Next question, which is very interesting. Calculate the number of molecules. Now we are using number of molecules, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That will use here. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur S8 present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. So first of all we will get the molecular formula of S8. So mass of S8 is equal to, so mass of sulfur, one atom is 32 into 8, it will become 256 unit. Then we can say molar mass is again 256 gram. Clear? After that we need to count the mole. So formula number of moles of S8 is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass is given 16 gram. Molar mass is 256 gram. And gram will cancel, this and this will cancel it. The answer will become 1 by 16. This is number of moles. Now one more formula we knew, that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Here we are talking about molecules, so 23 molecules. So from here we will get, if 1 by 16 moles, then number of molecules will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 1 upon 16. Simply. Now Let's see how I am going to calculate. First of all, we'll make the numbers easy. So we will move the decimal from here to here. 3 place rightward. So it will become 6022 into 10 to the power. Rightward means minus and 3 places, minus 3. And it is already 23. Correct? Upon 16. Now, when we divide 6022 divided by 16, the answer after division will come 376.3 something. And the powers, that will be 23 here and 3 here. That 23 minus 3, it will become 20 plus 20. Now again we can write this after removing the decimal leftward. It will become 3.763 into 10 to the power. Now leftward moving is 2 step, means plus 2 into 10 to the power 20, which is already written. So the final answer will be 3.763 into 10 to the power. Now 20 plus 2, that is 22. This is number of molecules which are present in 16 gram of solid sulfur, and this is the answer for this question. Isn't it easy? I made the calculation easy so that if you are confused while doing the calculations, you will use these tricks to shift the decimals. So hope you guys like the video. Please press the like button and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.